गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। सो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज़ फॉर्म्स इन एम एस एक्सेस। एंड फॉर्म्स में हम क्या करेंगे? फॉर्म्स, फर्स्ट थिंग इज फॉर्म्स इज अ इंटरफेस दैट अलाउ अस टू एंटर, change and view the data in a database or tables. So forms are very interactive interface which provides us many functions like change, enter and view the data. Whatever data you have in your database, we can uh, view that data, we can change, modify the data in the forms of forms. Forms are made up of elements such as text boxes, labels and other things. These elements are known as control, like text box, radio button, checkbox. These all are known as, we know these as controls. So you can work on form in a I will just open the MS Access form view. So you can go to the form view by just clicking form view button, this one, and here you can view the data. Second layout of form view is layout view, in which you can make changes in the form such as change the size of various controls. Third is design view. Design view is used to display the structure of your form, how your forms will look like, that is form view. In this view, you cannot see the underlying data, but you can perform some task in design view, like you cannot perform in layout view, such as view the header and footers. Means in design view you will get all the details, and from here you can change the data, you can change the design also. नाउ हाउ टू क्रिएट फॉर्म्स, तो हम कैसे फॉर्म्स को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं? फॉर क्रिएटिंग अ फॉर्म वी हैव टू फॉलो द steps which are written in step 1. First, what we have to do, click on the table in the navigation pane, table on which the form should be based. Okay, you can see the example in this one. Like we have here a doctor table, and if we click on this form icon over there, then it will generate a different fields, labels and text boxes for the table. So we will click on the navigation pane, which uh, from the you can see in this. Then second step is click on the create tab forms, then it will generate a ready-made forms for you. Then third is click on the form option in the forms group, and you can see a form is created and it is open in the layout view. You can change the view, you can change the design, uh, and display the content. Three new tabs, design, arrange and format, appears in the ribbon. Click on the save option in the quick access toolbar, or save the option on the file tab. Now you can see here, first step, create. Second one, first you have to select the table, then third you have to select the table, second is click on create, and then third is click on forms. Then you can save this form, uh, click on this save button. Okay, and here form object, you can see all access objects. One form has been created in this list here, table and queries, and third one is form. You can see there is a doc fee query, and here you can see one form is there, that is doc form. Formatting a form. Now once we have created a form, how we can format, how we can make some changes in that form. You can change the appearance of the form using various options on the design and format tabs. So you can see there are design and format tabs. So from this design and format tab, you can change the layout of the forms. Using the design tab, you can add a logo and a title to your report, your form, by making use of logo and title options, right? Header and footer group on the design. So now you will see in this diagram here, this is design, and when we click on this design, we have many options like logo options, title option. Okay, we can add logo and title in our report, sorry, in our form, so that our form look attractive using the format tab. Second is format tab. Here we can change the background image. We can insert image in the background like this. Okay,